Welcome, meditators, to day one of our Meditate Like a Monk challenge. You are here for a reason, and today we're going to explore that purpose together. Over the next 14 days, together we'll build a consistent practice and expand our awareness that will enhance your personal and spiritual growth journey. At the end of this challenge, you will be meditating like a monk. Not in the literal sense, but your style, your values, and the approach will be the same. And no, you don't have to be a monk or a Buddhist to start this challenge. These meditations are secular in nature. So let's begin this beautiful journey by setting an intention, a powerful personal intention that will guide you over the next 2 weeks. So I invite you to find your most comfortable position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion. Rest your hands gently on your knees or in your lap in a quiet and peaceful space. Keep your back upright but not uptight. You can gently close your eyes and bring your attention inward. Begin to notice your breath as it is, without trying to change it. Simply observe the natural rhythm of your breathing. I'm going to ask you a few questions, and I will give you a few moments to reflect on each question. Now, I want you to reflect on why you have decided to join this challenge. What is your intention for this journey? Is it to find inner peace, increase your focus? Maybe it's simply to take a few minutes each day for yourself. Whatever it is, let it come to mind naturally. There is no right or wrong answer here. As you breathe, silently repeat your intention in your mind. Let it be a guiding light throughout this journey. Keep breathing and feeling this intention settling in your heart. Now, we are going to do a quick 3-minute meditation for today. If closing your eyes overwhelms you, keep your eyes open. Try to look at your nose, and once you settle your gaze, move your gaze on the ground in the same direction. Make sure there are fewer distractions in front and around you. Let's begin. This practice has 3 parts, and each part will last for 60 seconds. Part 1. Please bring your awareness to the sounds around you. What can you hear? Simply notice the sound without getting lost in the story. And if there is more than one sound, move your awareness to the next sound and the next one. Part 2. Now, move your awareness to your body. becoming aware of all the muscles around your face. And with each exhale, relax your jaw and the muscles around your eyes. Relax your shoulders, your arms, and your hands. Keep scanning and relaxing your whole body from your head to all the way down to your feet. Part 3. Now, bring your awareness to the rhythm of your breath. There is no need to change or modify anything. Simply notice if your breathing is short and shallow or long and deep. And allow it to happen naturally. We are simply observing the breath. So I invite you to surrender to your breath and surrender to this moment. Now, you can slowly open your beautiful eyes and invite some movement to your body. Over the next few days, we'll meditate on a deeper level on these 3 objects of focus: sounds, body, and breath. Awesome job today. You can check out this suggested video to go deeper and support your practice. And thank you for being here. You've just set the foundation for an incredible transformation over the next 14 days. So come back tomorrow, and together we'll take the next step in this journey toward greater peace, focus, and clarity. I can't wait to guide you and meditate with you again.